Student, I hope you are doing well. I am Pramod Chand Joshi from HMJ Inter College. Today we will start our chapter to fraction and decimal. Exercise 2.2. First question is given here. Which of the drawing A to D show 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5, 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 and 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3, 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. In this figure you are seeing that first question is 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5. 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5 means multiplication is the successive addition. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 means 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5 means 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. You are seeing that this is 1 upon 5 and this is also 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5, that is 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5. This is A, D part. This will D part. This will show D part. And second you are seeing 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. And you are saying that 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 means 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. And 1 upon 2 here, this is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2, this will be B part. And now third is you are saying 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. And you are seeing that 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 by 3, 3 times equal to 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This is 3 multiplied by 2 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Multiplication means successive addition. And 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3. Out of 3 parts, 2 parts are shaded. 2 by 3 and this is also 2 by 3. So this is A part. And last is 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4 means 3, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4, this is 1 upon 4. Out of 4 parts, 1 part is shaded, 1 upon 4, this is also 1 upon 4, this is also 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, this is 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. So this part will be C part. So you can show that like this. Dear student, now question number 2. Some pictures A to C, A, B, C, these 3 pictures are given below. Tell which of them so. ये कौन से शो कर रहे हैं ये आपको बताना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी दैट इस पिक्चर को देखते हैं हम. दिस इज 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 and equal to this is 2 upon 3. And we can write this 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, that is 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Which one is 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3? 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 means 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3. 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3, this is second. And in this picture you are seeing that 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, 3 parts are shaded out of 4 parts. 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. And you are seeing 2 holes. This is 2 hole, 1 upon 4. 2 hole, 1 upon 4. You are seeing that 3 hole, 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 means 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4, that is 2 whole 1 upon 4. This is B part shows third. This third one, this one. And this is you are saying 1 upon 5. 5 parts, 1 part shaded, 1 upon 5. This is also 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 and you are getting here 1, 2, 3 upon 5. So that is 2 into 1 upon 5. 3 into 1 upon 5. 3 times 1 upon 5 is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 means 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5. That is 3 upon 5. C part shows 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5. That is 3 upon 5. This is first. Now question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में change करना है, lowest form में reduce करना है, multiply भी करना है. आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं 7 multiplied by 3 that is 21 upon 5 and you will change into mixed fraction. How you will change? 5 divided by 21, 5 4s are 20 and 1 that is 4 whole 1 upon 5. Now second part 4 multiplied by 1 upon 3 that is 4 upon 3. 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3 then you can write in mixed fraction. You can divide 3 by 3 1 ja 3 1 whole 1 upon 3. This is 2 multiplied by 6. 2 multiplied by 6 that is 2 6 ja 12 upon 7. So you can change 7 1 ja 7 5. So 1 whole 5 upon 7 you can write 1 whole 5 upon 7 into mixed fraction. Now this is 5 2 ja 10 upon 9 that is 9 1 ja 9. You can divide like 9 1 ja 9 and 1 whole 1 upon 9. This is you are saying 2 multiplied by 4 8 upon 3 and you can write 3 divided by 8 3 2 ja 6 2 whole 2 upon 3 2 whole 2 upon 3. Now see here 5 upon 2 multiplied by 6 2 3 ja 6 5 multiplied by 3 that is 15. Now this question 11 multiplied by 4 upon 7 that is 44 upon 7. You can reduce change into mixed fraction 42 44 7 6 the 42 6 whole 2 upon 7 6 whole ये आप होल में लिखेंगे और ये 2 रिमाइंडर 2 upon 7 you will like this. And now 20 multiplied by 4 upon 5 you can reduce this 5 4 the 20 4 multiplied by 4 that is 16. This is 13 multiplied by 1 upon 3 13 upon 3. Now you can reduce into you can change into mixed fraction 3 4 ja 12 and 1 4 whole 1 upon 3 4 whole 1 upon 3. Now 15 multiplied by 1 upon 5 5 3 ja 15 that is 3 multiplied by 1 that is 3. Now shade 1 upon 2 of the circle in the box or 2 upon 3 of the triangles in the box and 3 upon 5 of the square in the box of C. First of all you will find 1 upon 2 of the circles. 1 upon 2 of the circles is 1 upon 2 of the circle is 1 upon 2 of the circle. How many circles are there? 3 3 2 is 6 3 3 is 9 3 4 is 12. Of means multiplication. 1 upon 2 of 12. 1 upon 2 means multiplication of 2. 2 6 is 12. 6 circle. You will say 6 circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will say 6 circle. Now 2 upon 3 of triangles in box B. 2 upon 3 triangles. 2 upon 3. How many triangles are there? 9 triangles are there. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. 2 upon 3 of 9. Of means multiplication. 2 upon 3 multiply by 9. 3 3 is 9. You will get 3 3 is 9. 2 multiply by 3, that is 6. You will say 6 circles. Like this. And now 3 upon 5 of the squares in box C. 3 upon 5 of the square. How many square are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 10, 10, 3, 5 3 ja 15. 15 square है. So 5 of 3 upon 5 of 15 triangle. 15 squares. Then 3 upon 5 multiply by 15. 3 5 3 ja 15. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. You will say 9 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Find 1 upon 2 of 24. This is 1 upon 2, first part, 1 upon 2 of 24. Means 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 multiply by 24. That is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, that is 12. Second part is 1 upon 2 of 26. 26, that is 1 upon 2 multiply by 26, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 13. This is first part. 2 upon 3 of 18 means implies that 2 upon 3 multiply by 18. 3 6 is 18, that is 2 multiply by 6, that is 12. Second part, 2 upon 3 of 27. 2 upon 3 multiply by 27. 9 3 9 ja 27. That is 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18. And this part you will do by your own. Now question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. First of all, you will multiply this mixed fraction. You will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then 3 multiplied by 5. You will change 5 multiplied by, you will multiply this 5 plus 1 upon 5. That is 3 multiplied by 5 5 is 25 plus 1 upon 5. That is 3 multiplied by 26 upon 5. Now this will be 78 26 upon 5. You will change this into mixed fraction. 5 78, 5 1 is 5, 2 5 5 is 25, that is 3. That is 15 whole 3 upon 5. You can remove this. And now 5, you will change this into improper fraction. 6 multiplied by 4. You will multiply this and add this. 6 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4. You will get 5 multiplied by 24 plus 3 upon 4. 5 multiplied by 5, 24 plus 3, 27 upon 4. That is 135 upon 4. Now you will change 5 multiplied by 27, 135. Now you will change into mixed fraction. 4, 135. 4 3 is 12. And 4 3 ja 12. You will get 3. 33 whole, that is 33 whole 3 upon 4. You can remove this. And now this part 7 multiply by 2 2 ja 2 4 2 ja 8. 2 multiply by 4 plus 1 upon 4. You will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now 7 multiply by 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 upon 4. 7 multiply by 9 upon 4. 63 upon 9, 7 ja 63 upon 4. Now you will change into mixed fraction. 4 1 ja 4, that is 2. 4 5 ja 23. 15 whole 3 upon 4. These are the answer, and these D, E and F part you will do by your own. Now question number 7. Find A 1 upon 2 of first 1 upon 2 of 2 whole 3 upon 4. First of all, you will change 1 upon 2 of, you will change this into mixed fraction. 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4. That is 1 upon 2 of 2 4 ja 8 plus 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 of means multiplication. 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. And 11 1 ja 11, 2 4 ja 8. And now you can change into mixed fraction. 8 1 ja 8, 3. So 1 whole 3 upon 8. Now you will do second part. Second part is 1 upon 2 of 4 whole 2 upon 9. 1 upon 2 of, you will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. You will multiply 9 multiply by 4. 4 multiply by 9 plus 2 upon 9. 1 upon 2 of 36 plus 2 upon 9. 1 upon 2 of means multiplication. 36 plus 2, 38 upon 9. Now you can cancel 38. It is simple. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. 19 upon 9. You can change this into mixed fraction. 9 2 ja 18. So 2 whole 1 upon 9. 2 whole 1 upon 9. This part, B part, you will do by your own. Now question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2.5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. First part, how much water did Vidya drink? Second part, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? There are two parts. Total quantity of water. Total quantity of water equal to 5 liters. Total quantity of water 5 liters. Now Vidya consumed 2.5 of water. 2.5 of 5 liter. That is 2.5 into 5. 5 cancel. 2 liter. Vidya consume 2 liter water. 2 liter water. Now Pratap consumed. Pratap drank. Pratap drank equal to remaining water Pratap drank. So 1 minus 2 upon 5. That is, you can change this fraction 1 multiplied by 5 as a 5. 1 into 5 minus 2 upon 5. That is 5 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. That is 5. 5 minus 2. That is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. And Pratap drank 3 upon 5 part of the total quantity of water. Total Thank you. Please like